Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam of the Elite Tigers Group with my review of IM Checklists 15 YouTube Advertising, the latest release by Kevin Fahey. So in this review video, we're going to have a look at what you will get with this great product that's very much of the moment because it focuses on YouTube, which, as we know, is absolutely massive in 2019 and is a great source of advertising, most of it free. And we'll also be looking at the bonuses that you will get if you decide to purchase using the link immediately underneath this video and go to the official Elite Tigers Group page. Let me give you a little bit of background on Kevin Fahey. For those of you that don't know him, this isn't him. This is another top Irish marketer. This is John Mulry. John, you may know, in fact, I've got it over here. Excuse me, disappearing from the screen. John Mulry has recently brought out this book. Let me get it on screen. Renegade Email Marketing. He is a top guy, and I would recommend this book, by the way, as an aside. But Kevin Fahey is another one of my mentors. He's an Irish internet marketer, and he was one of the first people that I learned stuff online from, and he has been going strong since then. And what he does is that he brings out a series of his checklists, which cover all aspects of internet marketing. He also runs ongoing monthly training, which I would strongly recommend, and he has a more advanced bootcamp course. All of his training is absolutely top notch, and I would strongly recommend him as a mentor. If you're not someone that doesn't currently have a mentor, then Kevin is definitely someone to consider. But you can watch a review of IM Checklists on my bonus page from John Mulry, who is another mentor that I'd recommend. So if you feel that you really like the sound of John Mulry, then he is another guy that you should check out, and his training courses are also absolutely brilliant. So there's another recommendation. But what you will get inside this product is a set of 18 step-by-step checklists. Now, I know a lot of people don't know where to get started on YouTube. So they like the idea of YouTube. They know that it's an absolutely massive medium in 2019, and they know that that's where all the results are at the moment, but they don't know quite how to get started. Well, our YouTube products have been flying out this year. We've had, basic courses that have flown out. We've had SEO YouTube courses that have flown out. Well, this course pretty much covers everything that you need to know about getting started with promoting on YouTube. So what do you get? You get YouTube advertising basics and getting started. In this first checklist, you'll get the exact steps to getting started with YouTube advertising. The second step is a how-to guide on promoting your video ads on Google AdWords. If you're looking to start promoting your YouTube channel or just the video ads that you've made, then this checklist will show you how to do it the right way. Number 3 is best practices for YouTube ad videos. These are all individual checklists, so each one of these will in turn have step-by-step guides on it, if that makes sense. Running successful YouTube ad campaigns requires you to know what works and what doesn't. You'll be taught that. Number 4 is a Google AdWords tutorial. Number 5 is how to create your first AdWords campaign with video. The next one is YouTube advertising advanced targeting options. Next is how to plan your YouTube advertising campaign. So now we've moved away from Google onto YouTube. The next one is the key metrics you need to monitor in that campaign. How to optimize your video ads. This one is absolutely crucial. It goes without saying. Number 10, setting up a YouTube remarketing list. Remarketing is one of the most powerful tools Google Ads has to offer. If you use it the right way, you can achieve amazing results. Number 11, the tips and basics of YouTube remarketing. Number 12, how to set up an overlay ad on YouTube. Number 13, how to set up bumper ads. Number 14, how to set up display ads. Number 15, how to set up non-skippable ads on YouTube. Very powerful they are. Number 16, how to set up sponsored cards on YouTube. how to set up effective AdWords advertising budget. That's important. Make sure that you live within your means. And finally, a YouTube advertising checklist. So if you decide to pick up IM checklists via my bonus page, which is this one that we're on right now, to do that, all you need to do is click on any of the green buttons and you will come through to the main sales page, which is over here. And if you do decide, you will get these products, which I think you will agree complement the subject matter. The first one is understanding YouTube ads. So it's some additional training on top of that provided by Kevin. The second one is producing videos for profit. Learn how video creation is as easy and fun to make as it is to watch. The one thing the course doesn't do is show you video creation, the actual course itself, but one of the bonuses does. So I'll come on to Kevin's own bonuses in just a short while. Grow your profits fast with live video streaming, SEO and ranking tracking tactics, and viral secrets exposed, the secret code to going viral. All of those you will get providing you click on any of these green buttons here before this timer counts down to 0. If it reaches 0, then I'm afraid my bonuses are gone, so don't miss out. When you come through to your receipt page on Warrior Plus, you'll click on the green button to access Kevin's product and the blue button to access my bonuses. There I am at the bottom of the page. So let me go through. Obviously, you can read through all of this sales material. Kevin's a great copywriter, so do read this. Again, that's that checklist of the 18 things that you get. But I wanted to show you the bonuses because they're very good. There's the price, by the way, $17.44 at the moment. I think it's going up on a dime sale basis, so the quicker you get in, the quicker you will get it. So this is the one that I was telling you about. If you don't know how to get started in making your videos, then this bonus from Kevin will teach you exactly how to do it. IM Video Masters is a 32-part video training course which will teach you everything you need to know about shooting, editing and publishing videos for every type of scenario in the internet marketing space. You'll also get these 4 books that Kevin has written: Solo Ad Escape, Open Rate Explosion, Dropout Entrepreneur, and 11 Questions to Success. And I think, have I still got it over here? Yeah. There's an additional bonus not showing on these sales pages, which Kevin has just sent me this evening. IM Product Launching 2.0 is an up-to-date video training course covering everything you need to know about launching products online. This is not your standard course where a simple step-by-step guide will be provided. There's over 4 hours of high-quality, over-the-shoulder video training, breaking everything from building your early bird page to launching the product, closing high-ticket sales, all the way to following up with the affiliates after launch. So that is an unadvertised bonus that you will get if you take this on. This is that we're in Warrior Plus, so these will be the upsells. Ignore what's written on the right there. So the first upsell is membership of Kevin's monthly membership site, which converts like crazy. It's $17 a month. Lots, everyone takes this, or most people do. And you will find that virtually everyone that takes this keeps it up, because these checklists that Kevin provides are invaluable. And this is the one I was telling you about, this boot camp, a 10-day product creation boot camp. That is going to be an amazing thing for you to do if you can afford it. It's actually valued at $2,000 worth of training, but it includes over 13 hours of webinars, one-on-one access with Kevin, private Facebook groups, and it's around $450 that you can get that for if you're in quick. This will take you right through from absolutely nothing, maybe not even having an idea about what product to launch, through to actually finishing your product and getting it launched in 10 days. So if you're looking for a fast track, I suppose this is the equivalent of what we have in the UK. It's like a fast track driving test. You know, you can either learn how to drive over a space of about 6 months by having one lesson every week, or you can condense all the driving into like a 2-week crash course and hopefully pass your test and get your license. And so that's what effectively this is. You know, you can go the longer route around creating your own product and do loads of research and take 6 months to do it, which is absolutely fine, and it's what most people do. Or you can go down this boot camp way and get it out of the way. And as we all know, once you launch a product, you get stacks and stacks more people onto your list, and it's pretty much, it's not exactly plain sailing, but you're skiing downhill certainly once you've launched your first product. So that is basically IM Checklists 15, folks. I recommend all of Kevin's products very highly, so I'd certainly going to recommend this. 4.5 out of 5 stars is my review. Pick it up using my link and you'll get those extra 5 bonuses, all of which are related to videos and video creation. Watch Jean's review as well, who says it far more eloquently than me about how good Kevin and his products are. So thanks as ever for watching and indeed listening to this video review. This has been Dawud Islam of the Elite Tigers Group with my review of IM Checklist Volume 15, YouTube Advertising.